I always have the biggest fear that I'm still attached to the gas thingy. Hey you guys, it is Christmas Eve. So I am on my way to a makeup appointment. It's a bride, and I've just like been driving and reflecting on the last year. This is my last makeup appointment of 2017, and oh my god, has it been a year. I've completed my first full year of having my own business as a makeup artist, and a side business at that, and I did it. Like, I cannot believe it. I guess I didn't have a lot of faith in myself, but I did it. I can't believe it. So I'm just very thankful today, and I'm thankful for all of you guys who have supported me and watched my videos and, you know, checked out my pictures and referred me and given me reviews and given me tips and giving me reasons to continue to do what I love to do. It's just quite crazy. It's come full circle. I was so nervous for my first bride.
Take exit 37 onto North Shingle Road.
Yes, Siri, okay. I was so nervous for my first bride this year. I can't even tell you, like, I almost wanted to cancel. I was like, I can't do this, I'm so scared. My first bride that I ever did by myself and like booked as like Makeup by Molly, I had like 5 girls and a bride or something, and it was in January of this year, and I'm so thankful. I'm so thankful for all of you that got married this year, helped me out with my business, and in return I got to help you and be with you on the most special day of your life. It's just such a rewarding job. It's not a job, it's just what I love to do. So thank you.
So we're gonna see I love those shorts.
So pretty. Oh my god. Here, you can see in the
Oh, there we go.
Just the backdrop. It's just like, it's like such a perfect backdrop.
Maybe Aunt Teresa has a skinny slip.
I'm like, oh no.
I do get me. Yeah. It's cute.
I was gonna go, when I ordered it and everything, you know, just.
I don't mind if they do, I just hate it.
Oh my god. I'd much rather have no strings and be a real boy. Merry Christmas!
Mine doesn't work.
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! Auntie!
I'm gonna try and
David, Nicole,
Is it okay if I'm is it
Okay,
okay if
so I still deliver on.
Is it okay if I
Bling bling!
Actually,
I'm getting excited now.
I've been filming everyone!
Oh, bling! Oh my gosh.
That is so cute.
Oh my gosh. My public is going to love this. Red eye, here I come.
They're gonna see you from a mile away. Mrs. Isaacson's coming.
Shiny shoes.
Shiny shoes.
Shimmery, shiny shoes.
Other foot.
Other guys.
Other foot.
Super.
Oh yeah, thank you. Yeah.
I started out that way. Oh yeah.
Oh, the Christmas songs?
It wouldn't matter if they fit or not, I was gonna win.
Let's see him. Turn him to the side.
Oh look at bling.
Nanny, Merry Christmas, Nanny. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas.
I'll put it on your plate.
Nanny, you're gonna eat a wiener.
So you want a wiener?
She left her out. The wieners are good.
There's a lot of wieners in here, so be quiet.
Oh my god! Wieners on wieners.
You're right. So one of her roommates is in the foster program. So like a foster kid, basically, right? Foster. But they carry.
Oh,
Thank you, Karen.
the lady that gave us this recipe, she passed away. She had breast cancer. She's
Oh my
passed
gosh,
away
we're gonna
since
tell the
then.
story. I thought that's what I was doing earlier.
Susie was
So anytime you do a shot, you have to toast someone who's passed away. So
Yes.
we kind of just go around the room, and I'm going to say to my father, you have anybody who's close to you who's passed away? It's not a bummer, like sad deal.
Kim, a while back.
Okay.
Oh.
Shawnee Mac.
Oh, it's my dad's birthday today.
Here.
So
Here's
my
to
dad.
Papa. Cheers and Christian Wells. He died in a motorcycle.
My grandfather.
Okay.
Grandfather.
Grandpa.
Both
My grandpa. Yeah, both grandpas today.
You're up.
My dad.
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 Susie. She's not drinking.
You can you can still salute.
A virtual too. A virtual
My
toast.
grandparents too, who've all passed. So
Karen, get a drink.
My grandparents, I'm fine, need it right
thank you for cleaning up my mess.
I'll give you one.
It's right there. Both my grandpas.
Oh, there it is.
All right. Cheers.
Okay,
Merry
cheers.
Christmas.
Merry
Christmas.
Rest in peace.
So does it go down better with the straw on there or in the shot glass?
Shotgun.
Hair of the dog.
I can get a lot quicker. Even 7 o'clock. It's really not working
Merry
very well.
Christmas. Here.
Suck harder.
You've never heard that either.
You need a smaller circumference.
Merry Christmas.
Get him. Yeah, get him. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it.
Oh my god. What's easier now? Merry Christmas!